Are wheel spacers actually safe? Ford Maverick wheel spacers will adjust the offset value after installation. The wheel position will be moved to both sides of the street to obtain a wider track, and the load on the vehicle during steering is more distributed due to the increased track. This will be more obvious for vehicles with high ground clearance when the load is more evenly distributed. The center of the vehicle will be more stable. In addition to the benefits of direct fitment, Ford Maverick wheel spacers will help with other parts upgrades. We know that improved handling can be achieved in many ways, including a greater contact area between the tires and the ground, and a bigger contact area for the brake pads, both of which will directly affect the Ford Maverick's braking performance.
To further optimize a hub-centric connection, BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric lifts. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding hub flat, which eliminates any possible gaps. Such BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers will not change the original wheel fastening method. The wheels are well balanced so that there will be less chance of vibration.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!